Pista chicken curry. Marinate chicken with ginger garlic paste, salt, red chilli powder, lemon juice and tandoori chicken masala. Marinate overnight or at least 6 hours. Take 1/2 bunch coriander, 1/2 cup mint, 7 green chilies, 1/4 cup roasted coconut, 7 cashew and almonds, 1/2 cup pistachios and 1 cup fried onions. Put everything in blender and grind to paste. Now, put marinated chicken in hot oil and fry for 5 minutes. Do not fry on low flame, or else chicken will release water, and it won't turn out juicy. Now, add curry powder, chicken masala and mix everything. Then add turmeric. Now, add chicken stock cubes and grind pista masala paste. Mix everything, then cover and cook on medium-low flame until chicken is done and oil separates. Stir every 5 to 6 minutes, so masala doesn't burn. Once oil separates, add coriander. Delicious pista chicken curry is ready to be served. Like, share, and subscribe. Comment down which chicken recipe you want to see next.